Howdy folks, Casey here. I know it's been a while, but I want to take a moment to show you my latest project. All right folks, this is my 1961 Willys Jeep pickup truck. So as you can see, it's pretty straight. It's got a patina on it for sure, but it's not got any kind of serious rot or cancer. There's a couple little spots in the floor, but nothing major. I needed a pickup truck. I've got the van, you know, the Excellent Adventure van, but not having a bed, a truck bed. The problem with the van is I have a bed in it. It's a sleeping bed. Makes it hard for running to the hardware store. So I needed a pickup truck. You know me, I like to have something with a little bit of style. I found this 1961 Willys Jeep on Facebook Marketplace. The price was right, and it had a lot of nice work done to it. Namely, this little freshly rebuilt 283 Chevy. And I know what you're telling me, Casey, this is just a Krylon rebuild, but no, it's not. I have a bore scope, and I looked inside the engine, and it's never been fired. So it actually makes it a little harder because I've got to wire everything up. You can see I put a little switch panel in here, Ford style starter solenoid, and I got it to kind of crank over and try to fire to life. But then it dawned on me that I need to break in a camshaft. So I've got to get a cooling system hooked up, a fuel system hooked up proper, and be able to really start this thing up. But, you know, when they did this work, they cleaned up the front frame assembly pretty nicely. I thought they had rebuilt the stock Dana 25 front axle, but they had not. So I ended up having to go through everything in the axle. Went ahead and upgraded to disc brakes while I had that all apart, so this thing will stop better. Rebuilt the locking hubs that were in it. I don't know if you guys have ever been to Disneyland's California Adventure, but they've got one of these Willys pickup trucks on the Grizzly Rapids ride, and it has the jerry can and then Pioneer tools mounted along the bedside. So that's part of my plan for this. Rebuilding the rear drums as well. I've actually had a hard time getting correct parts for this truck. I'll take you over to the other side and show you what's going on there. So the shoes and hardware were no issue. These are a Lockheed 11-inch non-self-energizing drum brake. But the drums have been hard to get. I got the wrong drums the first time, and then the company wouldn't take them back. With the exception of the one little crack, the glass is all in really nice shape. The interior is decent. There was a little panel in the front here that had a couple aftermarket gauges in it. I'm redoing those, but yeah, overall, she's in nice shape. Got these old mud terrain type tires, mud brutes they're called. They're gonna go back on there. I'm gonna keep the truck more or less exactly as you see it, just make everything work and then make it run and drive. I'm hoping to have it on the road, at least in some capacity, within a couple of weeks here. So anyway, I didn't want to shoot a long video. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. I've always liked the Willys Jeeps. And like I said, I needed a pickup truck. So this is gonna fit the bill, I think. 488 gears in the Dana 25 and I believe 44 rear, with a 2.6-to-1 Model 18 transfer case, something like that. So this thing will climb straight up a mountain, I think. Anyway, I hope you guys think the project's cool. Let me know if you want to see some more videos with this thing in it. I'm sure I'll do a first fire up video regardless, and maybe go out on some trails around here and show you guys this thing driving around. Anyway, miss y'all. I hope for the Model A Roadster to be back soon, but I've got a 1968 Mustang Fastback coming to do a big job for a customer on. So you guys might be seeing some of that on the channel as well. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this week. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Help me out. Thank you. We'll see you next time.